Once upon a time, in a peaceful village nestled amidst rolling green hills, there lived a wise Zen master named Ryo. He was known far and wide for his deep wisdom and tranquil presence. People would often seek his guidance and teachings, hoping to find clarity and insight in their lives. One sunny morning, as Ryo sat in quiet meditation in his humble cottage, he noticed the dark clouds gathering overhead. The villagers had been experiencing a period of uncertainty and hardship, and the cloudy sky seemed to mirror their troubled hearts. Determined to bring solace to his community, Ryo decided to embark on a journey to find a way to part the gloomy clouds and reveal a radiant blue sky. With a sense of purpose, Ryo set off on foot, traversing through lush forests and crossing babbling brooks. He climbed steep mountains and wandered through meandering valleys, never losing sight of his goal. Along the way, he encountered various challenges and obstacles, but his unwavering determination kept him moving forward. After days of arduous travel, Ryo arrived at the foot of a towering mountain shrouded in mist. Legends whispered of an ancient temple hidden amidst the peaks, said to hold the key to unlocking the secrets of the heavens. Undeterred, Ryo embarked on a treacherous ascent, relying on his years of training and discipline to guide him through the perilous path. Finally, he reached the summit, where the temple awaited him, its grandeur and serenity breathtaking. Ryo stepped into the sacred space, feeling a profound sense of peace wash over him. As he stood in the temple's courtyard, he closed his eyes and began to meditate, calling upon his innermost wisdom and connection to the universe. Hours turned into days, and days into weeks, as Ryo remained steadfast in his practice. His spirit merged with the stillness of the temple, and he felt a deep resonance with the natural world around him. And then, one fateful day, as he opened his eyes, he saw a miraculous sight before him. The dark clouds that had plagued his village had parted, revealing a radiant blue sky that stretched as far as the eye could see. It was as if the heavens had heard Ryo's plea and responded with a resounding affirmation. A profound sense of joy and gratitude filled Ryo's heart, knowing that his journey had borne fruit. Filled with renewed purpose, Ryo descended the mountain, carrying within him the light of clarity and insight. As he made his way back to the village, word of his miraculous journey spread like wildfire. The villagers gathered around him, eager to hear the wisdom he had gained from his quest. Ryo shared his experiences and teachings, emphasizing the importance of perseverance, inner strength, and the power of mindfulness. He taught them that just as the clouds eventually part to reveal the clear blue sky, so too can life's challenges and obstacles be overcome through steadfast determination and unwavering faith. From that day forward, Ryo became a beacon of hope and inspiration in the village. His teachings spread far and wide, touching the lives of countless individuals who sought his guidance. And whenever dark clouds loomed overhead, the villagers would remember the Zen master's journey, finding solace in the knowledge that clarity and insight were just beyond the veil of temporary difficulties. And so, the story of Ryo and the parting of the Zen clouds became a cherished tale, reminding people of the boundless potential within each of us to find light amidst darkness, and to emerge with newfound wisdom and clarity.